Okay, B is similar to A. A little bit more work we need to do though, but you should see that there are 3 terms here. Okay. And we need to sort of get it so that it's similar to the last one. If you remember the last one, we had 5 to the power x, and then it was squared, and then you had 5 to the power x and times by minus 12 plus 20. So we could let u equal to 5 to the power x. We need to do something similar here, but there's a bit more work because here we've got 2 to the power of x plus 1, which is a bit of a pain. And here it's not even 2, it's 4, isn't it? However, we could rewrite 4 in terms of 2, couldn't we? So we could write 4 as 2 squared. Yeah. Okay, so that's what 4 can be rewritten as. 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. Put a bracket there then because it's to the power x. Now, we can also be quite clever here as well because we don't have to leave that as to the power x plus 1. Okay. Remember, when you're adding powers, okay, rules of indices, that means you were timesing the term. So this is the same as, if you think about it, 2 to the power of x times 2. Okay, like 2 to the power of 1, isn't it? Okay, I'm not going to write 1 there, but when you're timesing terms, you'd add the powers, wouldn't you? Like I've got here. So I can rewrite that as this. Take away 15 equals 0. Now, I can then, looking at this, I can swap these just like I did in A. So bring the x in, the squared out. I'm allowed to swap because the order of multiplying doesn't matter. Here then, put the 2 in front. 2 to the x, put that in a bracket. Minus 15 equals 0. And you get then, just like before, a quadratic in terms of 2 to the power of x. And if you keep it simple, that 2 to the power of x equals to u. You then put u in there, so you'll have u squared minus 2u there, minus 15 is 0. So then, 2 brackets, u in both, 2 numbers that multiply to give minus 15, add up to give minus 2, so 5 and 3 will work there. It's got to be minus 5 and plus 3. So you have u plus 3 equals 0, or u minus 5 equals 0. So u will equal minus 3, or u will equal to 5. Now, again, remembering now that 2 to the power of x is what u is. So we can say 2 to the power of x equals minus 3. Now that is impossible, okay? Right, you can't equal negative. Okay. Okay, an exponential there can't be negative. Okay, and if you swing the base there, you'll have log to the base 2 of minus 3, and the log can't take a negative number, right? So try it, it'll be impossible, the calculator won't allow it. So there's no results there. The other result then is when it's equal to 5, so 2 to the power x equals 5. You want the power, so create the logarithm, swing the base, so you have log to the base 2 of 5 2.32.